Hi guys, welcome to this session in Microsoft Excel. In this module, I want to show you how you can automatically insert today's date when a trigger cell is activated. So on the screen, I've got the completed example, and if I select in this drop-down data validation list enrolled, the formula in column C will automatically put today's date in that column, like so. Now that is a date stamp, so that will always say the 24th of January. It will not move forward. It is an actual date stamp. So I want to recreate that, and I'll do that over here. So if I just copy these titles and paste them into column E. All right, so I've got a list of names as a custom list, so I can just type those. Just pull these down, like so. And then I need to do a data validation list here that's going to give me the options enrolled or declined. So data tab, over to data validation, selecting the list option, and then I'm going to type it. So I'll put enrolled first on this one. Then you do a comma, declined, enrolled, declined. Okay, so let's just check that. There we go. I'll click enroll for the first one, and then in fact I better not do that. I'll just delete that and pull it down first, and then select the top one to be enrolled. So in the start date column, if it says enrolled in the status column, I want it to put today's date. So in cell G2, it's an if statement I'm going to use. So it's equals if, open bracket, clicking on F2. If F2 equals enrolled, and that has to go in quotes, comma, I want to use the text function and the today function to put today's date in there. So starting off with text, open the bracket. Then I'm going to put the function today in there, which is the computer clock, today's date, comma, and then the format is going to be in quotes dd /mm / then 4y's, like that. That's the format I want it to be. And because that text function converts the date into text, it won't move. It's just going to be sat there. Close the text function bracket, comma, this is the if, and if it's not true, I'll just leave it blank. So quote, quote, and then close the if bracket. If I tick that, let's put today's date in there. So wherever I select enrolled, it will pull today's date in. If I pull it down, you'll see that there. Come down here, select enrolled, and you can see that working. So if I just copy the formula off there so you can see it, just copy that and then paste it into a text formatted cell. Let's do that down here. Format it to text with the little apostrophe symbol, and you can paste that in there and it won't do a formula. So that is the formula that I've used to get today's date as a date stamp. So hopefully that little video was of use. Thank you for your time, and I'll catch you on the next one.